right. Cherie, you go to Cherie. Kia ora, what's your name?
Peyton Mazza.
Sorry?
Peyton.
Peyton. Everyone say kia ora,
Cool name.
Peyton. Peyton, what school are you competing and representing for?
Cobham Intermediate.
All right, you've got some fans. And what's your name?
Anika.
Anika, and you're representing?
Kashmir Primary.
Kashmir Primary!
Fantastic. All right. So, all you have to do is sing us about 30 seconds of a song. All right? You thinking about it? So, who's going to start? Who do you think should start? Okay. We can do it very diplomatically, like this. This is how we choose. Inky Pinky Ponky, Daddy caught a donkey, donkey died, Daddy cried, Inky Pinky Ponky. All right. You can sing any song you like. You've got 30 seconds. Here, are you ready, Christchurch? And 3, 2, 1.
I was left to my own devices. Many days fell away with nothing to show. The walls kept tumbling down in the city that we loved. Gray clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before?
Whoa!
Peyton, that was amazing. I know I only said 30 seconds, but I just let you go because it was so lovely. All right, no pressure. No pressure.
All right, in 3, 2. You know a song. Any song. Pick any song.
She needs some support from her schoolmates.
In 3, 2, 1.
Any song that you like and you listen on the radio or at school. What's a school song?
Okay. You said you're something that you never given. I don't know that song.
Okay. Okay, where you go?
Okay. It would be embarrassing if I got this wrong. God of nations at her feet, in the bonds of love we meet. Hear our voices we entreat. God defend our free land. God Pacific's triple star on the shores of strife and war. Make her praises heard or far. God defend New Zealand.
Oh yeah. Fantastic. All right.
Well done, my friend.
Now
Well
it's up
done.
to you to decide the winner of the Te Matinee Pass.
All right, you've had some practice.
Okay, shh. Okay, shh, 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 shh. This is not Beyonce concert, all right? Here we go. By way of applause, if you think that Peyton was the winner. And our friend from Cashmore Senior. Oh, look,
Wow.
I think we've got ourselves a winner. One down, Peyton. Congratulations, enjoy that prize, and well done to you.
Pretty cool, all right.